Hi, this is a Viador CN429 Lady Margaret portable valve receiver. It was returned to us by a customer, well not returned, it was sent to us by a customer who bought our replacement batteries, the KRC A2 and the A9 high tension, low tension batteries, and having completed those, he found that the receiver didn't work, so he sent it in to me to see if I could repair it, which I've done for him. I'll just bring the camera a bit closer in. Hopefully that gives you a better view of the inside. You can see the two batteries. That's the low tension battery there, and that's the high tension battery there. The faults on the receiver, I had to replace the audio transformer, which is just there. And I also found a leaky electrolytic capacitor, which is just there. And with those changed, the receiver's now working pretty much a-okay. I'll just put the camera further away and give you a demo of it operating. Just bring this down. Drop his screw there. And give it a whirl on long wave. Wherever we are, around about here somewhere.
Professional psychology bodies in the UK, and now Boris Johnson has pledged to make it illegal. But organisations promoting the idea that sexuality can be changed argue their practices are ethical. Our Ireland correspondent Emma Varley has this report.
It is our vision and mission.
A little bit of long wave there. There's the medium wave, I don't know who that is.
Tuesday night, you will believe why. Wolverhampton Wanderers versus Sevilla. Coverage from 7. Kick-off at 8. Home.
Better off there, isn't it? There we are. Viador, Lady Margaret receiver. Thank you for watching.